Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jhánneu and this is the go-to place for intentional and low impact living. So for today, I'm super excited because I just moved to my first studio apartment. I've never lived by myself before, so this is definitely a big deal for me. And as I'm moving in, I want to make sure I'm filling my apartment with sustainable essentials. So I'm going to show you guys what I have in my apartment that's sustainable. I do have a lot of work to do in terms of decorating, but I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek, and then I'll also do another video once everything's all done. So if you're interested, keep on watching. I just want to show you guys a few of my sustainable bathroom essentials that I've added to my home. Now for my deodorant, I will use a refillable deodorant. This one's comes in a refillable container. This one works okay. You have to kind of try out different natural deodorants because it can be hard sometimes. I know sometimes I'll use one and it'll work for a while and then I have to switch to another one. So it's all kind of a game. You got to figure out what works for you. One of my favorite bathroom essentials is bamboo floss. This floss is 100% compostable. It comes in a glass container, which is great. So these are really easy, sustainable bathroom swaps that you can make in your bathroom too. I want to say thank you so much for Real for sponsoring this video. They are a bamboo toilet paper company. It comes completely wrapped in paper. The box that it comes shipped in is 100% cardboard, 100% recyclable. They also give back, which is awesome, not only to communities in Africa, but also here in Los Angeles as well. One of the great things about bamboo is that it grows 3 feet in 24 hours. So it's way more sustainable than using traditional toilet paper. It also just takes a lot less resources to produce bamboo than it does paper. So all around, I think they are one of the best bamboo toilet papers on the market. I like them as a company. They're run by great people because for me, when I'm supporting brands with my dollar, I want to make sure that the company is ethical and sustainable, but it's also like the people behind the brand as well. Definitely check them out. You can get $10 off of your first order. I'll link everything in the description box below. Let me know if you guys have ever tried bamboo toilet paper. I'm really curious. So one of the first things I did when I was organizing my kitchen, which is super tiny, I wanted to have everything packaged for the most part in mason jars. A lot of items I was able to find in bulk, so there is no packaging involved, which of course is more sustainable. And it also just looks so beautiful with like all the different colors, and you can see what's in it. And what I love when it comes to shopping in bulk is how you can get as much or as little as you need, so that reduces food waste overall, which is awesome. And I also started composting in my apartment as well. So what I do is I just take a brown paper bag and I throw in scraps and I just throw it in the freezer. And so once the bag is full, I take it to a local compost facility nearby. So definitely excited about doing that. And I've also told myself that in my apartment I'm going to try my best to be vegan, because not only is it sustainable, but it's also you're able to compost all the food and it's not actually going to waste, which is great. Cute little essentials that I've gotten for my kitchen. I got this kind of teapot from IKEA. It's super cute. So you would just like fill this with the loose leaf tea, which I have when I got in bulk, and then it's just the glass. I still haven't used it yet. I got it because it looks super cute. Even though I have the little tea balls, I just, you know, when you have your first place, you kind of sometimes buy things that you don't need. And then I also have dishwashing soap that I can get in bulk. Some people use dish soap and hand soap. I just use one soap. I don't think there's a need to have 50 different soaps for everything. I think you can pretty much have one soap that does the job for most things. So this is great because it's in glass, it's refillable, and I'm going to keep this glass forever. I also use a compostable dishwashing tool. This, oops, it's a little wet. This can be composted at the end of life. These are plant bristles right here, and this is wood. So it's definitely an easy swap to make in your kitchen. What I love about my pantry so far is that pretty much everything I got package free. My spices, I had these cute little glasses and I just took them to a grocery store and refilled them. And it's super easy and convenient, and it just makes your pantry look so cute and so beautiful. So I feel like being sustainable and being low waste not only makes your pantry looks super cute, but it also cuts down on packaging and the amount of waste that you produce. Because if you think about it, most foods and pretty much everything you buy is packaged. Like even fruits and stuff that I bought just comes with these little stickers, which aren't recyclable or compostable. I know some brands are like starting to use compostable stickers. It's hard to get food 100% package free, so I try to do my best by shopping in bulk for everything. And it also saves you a ton of money in the long run. So all the things that you saw from the seasonings and everything to the bigger mason jars, they were all, it came out to about $50, which I don't think is bad for what I'm getting, especially since I'm one person. Like all of this is gonna last me a long time. So for all of my furniture, I wanted it to be very neutral and clean. So you see it's just a lot of beige and tan and whites. I'm really excited to paint a few of the walls once my paint comes in. The bed frame is actually over there against the wall because right now I'm sleeping on an air mattress because I'm waiting for my actual mattress to come. So once my actual mattress comes, which hopefully is in a couple days, then I'll set up the bed frame, and then all of my storage will be underneath the bed. This apartment is 281 square feet. It didn't come with any sort of storage for clothing. There's like cabinets for the kitchen, but there is absolutely no storage, so you definitely have to be creative. So I'm just gonna take these kind of like storage cubes and put them up under my bed. I might do a clothing rack, we'll see, because I do want to hang a couple items. But you definitely have to be innovative when you're working with a very, very tiny space. I live in Los Angeles, so finding an affordable place can be really rough, but this is really exciting for me to be moving in my own place. It's such a big deal because I've never had my own space. I don't come from a lot, so for me to have my own space where I feel safe and where it's clean, I'm really excited to show you guys the finished look of my apartment once it's all done. I'm thinking in about a week or two, everything will all be set up. I'll actually be sleeping on an actual bed and have an air mattress. I cannot wait to show you guys the finished look of everything. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. Please let me know in the comment section what are some of your favorite sustainable home essentials. I really want to know, do you use the toilet paper? Do you use a dishwashing block? I want to know what sustainable essentials that you have in your home. So let me know. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.